Yeah, hello? No wheels, who's this?
Have you guys ever seen a 800 wheel horsepower 350z with stretched tires?
225s in the rear, like this knee makes 200 horsepower. Another dream wheel setup.
What is up? What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Currently super tired. I'm like on 2 hours of sleep, but it's well worth it. You guys read by today's title of the video. We got some new wheels for the Z. Very unexpected. Funny enough, I used to hate these wheels. A few years ago, I started really liking them. I really wanted them for the Q50. Sadly enough, I sold it. And now that I sold it, I came across a good deal on these wheels. And I really wish I still had the Q50 so I could see how it would look on it. But we have a G37 right here that currently has my now old NISSAN 57 CRs. We're swapping them on, just that there was a little technical difficulty. They had to run to the hardware store real quick. And we let these go for some Meisters. Meister S1 3-piece with the chrome lip. Is it the brush face, silver face? I don't know what you call it exactly. I never would have thought I'd throw these on the Z, but pretty much got a deal I couldn't say no to, and here we are. They're super stretched though. They're 19 by 10.5 plus 16 and plus 17, I believe, on 225s. They're super stretched. Funny enough, my other set of work wheels that I got, the work CRs, right? Yeah, they're just CRs. They were also on 225s. I'm gonna throw them on all around once we finish this right here. Take off the tire, take out the TEs, and just see how it looks all around. It's gonna look funny because it's gonna be stretched tires. Obviously my car's not super slammed where your car kind of should be with those wheels, but it should still look decent. I think it should still look all right. So once we're done with this car right here, we'll get started on mine and see how it looks. By the way, this car is actually painted in the BMW color. It's painted in secure orange. Nice little flake. Alright guys, here's a look before and after. I'm gonna tell you this right now. The pivot is not gonna be the best. I raised the rear for the slick, and those wheels are stretched, so it's not gonna be the best. Let's see how it looks going from a fast boy setup to a hot boy setup. Let's see. Kind of excited. A little sneak peek. I haven't dropped it yet. That looks pretty fire. Definitely gonna need to get a bigger tire. I like the stretch look, but not too much. Gonna go from this chunky, this little chunky monkey, to the complete opposite right now. Put you guys down right here. You guys can see that. Reach the front and the rear, as I assume it looked a little funky. Sick. Alright guys, goodbye to the Nismos. I never thought I'd sell these, but it's all good. Damn, it looks good on this G with this paint. So long, Nismos. If you guys want to keep up with the Nismos, want to follow my boy right here. Goodbye. If I lowered it, it'd be a pretty good fender to lip. Now, before you guys question yourselves, lower it. I could literally lower it right now, yes. That fender is goofy. But why am I not going to? Because I'm going to throw that back on in a few days. I'm not going to be able to do anything with 225. I just wanted to see how the Meisters would look all around. Just ignore the rear for now. Alright guys, the final result. Like I said, ignore the rear. Typical me would just lower the rear and call it a day, but like I said, I'm going to throw these on a lot sooner than later, so that'll be a waste of time. What do you guys think, W Cop? I'm not too sure how long I'm going to keep these for. I'm even playing with the idea right now of rejoining them and putting them on the Beamer. Not sure yet though. Damn. Official owner of some Meisters. Right outside the garage, you guys can see it on the sunlight. Honestly, I really like how the front looks. The rear, not at all. I never thought I'd see a set of stretched wheels, stretched tires, I mean, on this car ever again. It's so funny, bro. It's also funny because I was playing with the idea of chroming my T37s and these, well, it's chrome lip or whatever, but these wheels come on my hands. Like I said, it wasn't planned. I did not voluntarily look for these wheels, but it was a deal I couldn't say no to, and well, here we are. I'm definitely not going to leave them on for too long, at least not the rears, that's for sure, because I can't. I might throw on the welds and leave the Meisters in the front for a little bit. But yeah, what do you guys think? Looks pretty good. If this had like a 265 at least, 35, I feel like it would be better. It just looks kind of funny. I'll probably drive it like this for like a day or two though, just to say I drove it on Meisters. What do we think, chat? I really like the front, guys. I think I'm gonna put on the rear welds a lot sooner than I thought. Obviously the film is horrible. I'll probably literally have it tomorrow and that's it. But I really like the front.
The next day.
Good morning YouTube. It is currently Super Bowl Sunday, and these wheels are actually winning me over. At least the front side. The rear, like I said, I don't know how many times yesterday, I gotta lower it more in order for me to fit these type of wheels, and also get a bigger tire. But the front is fire. I'm gonna take it to the gym right now. I'll take it to the gym like this. It does look a little goofy, I know, believe me, but I'm gonna drive it. I'm kind of nervous. Obviously nothing will happen, but I'm a little nervous to drive on these stretched ass tires. I mean, the gym isn't far away. It's probably like, I don't know, 10 minutes, but I am gonna take the freeway, so I don't know, I'm a little nervous. Alright guys, we made it on the freeway. First, how do you say it? First thing that I noticed, the speedo is way off, bro. Super off. It says I'm doing 80 miles an hour, bro. Cars are blowing by me like crazy. I'm probably doing like 65, if I had to guess. Maybe 70. But I'm definitely not doing 80 miles an hour. There's no shot. My, what do you call it? My intrusive thoughts is telling me to downshift to third gear, brake boost, and hit it, see what happens. Oh, for sure, spin out. I want to try a little second gear, but I am a little scared. And I'm definitely not doing that with anything in my hands, like a camera. Alright guys, we made it in one piece. Looks like I installed the wheels correctly. Oh man. If I had just a slightly bigger tire, I think I would leave them on for a lot longer. Honestly, it doesn't look bad. But this car makes too much power for these wheels. Looks pretty good though. I was originally gonna put the weld back on later after the gym, but I think I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it for Super Bowl Sunday. Alright guys, fast forward about an hour and a half. We made it to one of my spots. Wanted to show you guys the car one more time before I end this video. Once again, the front, I really, actually really like. Even stretched like that, it looked good. The rear, in order for it to look good, I would have to slam the car. Yeah, just slam it, honestly. But if I were to keep this setup like myself, I would definitely put a bigger tire on this, like on the rear. At least, probably like a, I want to say 255, just to still have like a little stretched look. Because I think 265, yeah, I would do a 255 in the rear. I would do 255 all around, honestly. The front looks good though. I like the stretched look, but definitely not for a high horsepower car. Definitely not my cup of tea, but it does look pretty good. I can't lie. Like on certain cars, if you slam them, it looks good. Just not on this one. But I'll probably leave them on for a little bit. I am playing with the idea, like I said, of re-drilling them and throwing them on the M340i, but I don't know how I feel about work wheels on the M340. My original plan was obviously, as most of you guys might have guessed, the TE37s.
But I have a set of Workmeisters that I could re-drill and I could add on the M340. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. For sure, I'm gonna throw the T37s back on the Z though. Like that's 100%. I'm just enjoying this look for a little bit. But what do you guys think? Should I re-drill these wheels and put them on the M340i? Should I keep them on the Z? I don't know. You guys tell me. It's funny though, because like I said, I used to hate these wheels when they, like a few years ago. I didn't understand the hype on them. I don't know. I didn't understand why people like them. A few years ago, I started liking them, and I got the opportunity to pretty much get these, and I couldn't say no to it. So that's why we're here. So I guess we could say another one of my, I guess, dream wheels is off of my bucket list. Workmeisters. A Workmeister S1 3-piece. I can't lie though, this thing does look pretty good, bro. If the guy would have had like a 255 on the back with like a 40 sidewall, I think I would have left it on like for a while, honestly. But now with the smaller tire in the rear, the smaller wheel compared to the weld, this is really bugging me. I'm kind of thinking about chopping the Tomei off and just putting a good like straight pipe how I used to have it, because I'm kind of like annoyed with this setup now, how it sticks out. But the turbo kit is also kind of still for sale if anybody wants it. I know it'll go perfect on a Nismo. Like it'll fit perfect, because the Nismo bumper does extend a little bit more. But even then, I mean, it's not too bad. But I'm kind of over it. I'm kind of over the look of it sticking out. So, I mean, turbo kit's still for sale. But if it doesn't sell, which I'm not really advertising it that much, I'll probably just cut it and throw a nice little straight pipe on there, like a nice quality straight pipe, just so I can get rid of that sticking out issue that's going on here. I really wish there was a way to fit that Tomei good, make it fit flush, but that was literally the best we could do. That was the best in order to keep the Tomei muffler. Anyways, here she is. Here are the new set of wheels that we got for the Z originally. They might end up on the M340i. I don't know yet. I'm still thinking about it. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys want to see these on the M340? Originally, if I did put them on the M340, I was thinking about like painting the faces black or like dark gray, but I feel like it'll look good. The only thing is that I'll probably have to paint the calipers blue to match the stickers, or change the stickers to red. So yeah, I don't know. You guys let me know. What should we do with these wheels? Should I leave them on the Z? Should I put them on the M340i? Should I sell them? You guys let me know. But for now, I'm gonna enjoy these Workmeisters on the Z and look like a sleeper. Well, I look like a sleeper, but I can't do anything with these wheels anyway, so I guess the car's slow for now. With that being said, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys all like the new wheels. If you guys enjoyed this video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Alright guys, I know I said I ended the video or whatever, but I'm not gonna lie. I did not think I was gonna like these wheels this much. I just took some pictures of it right now, some videos on my phone, and wow. What if, just what if we throw a little fat tire on here? A little fat tire in the, a little wider tire in the front and keep them on. Just change the stickers to red.